Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you resize an image on iPhone. So guys, to resize an image on iPhone, at first just select the photo. So guys, after selecting the photo, just like I'm selecting this one, just click the bottom, this last option, the bottom left. And after that, in the top here you can see options. Click on options, and here you will see automatic. If it is selected on automatic, then it means it will be automatically the best format where it is destined or where it will be sent. So click the top right, done, and after that you can just send it anywhere to anyone, any of these platforms, anywhere. Now I'm going to show you another way to resize the image. So go to your Safari or any browser. Now just search for resize image, and after selecting that, just go to these any websites, because most of the websites work the same. I'm going to this one. Now after that, here you can see drag and drop a file here to our click. Just click on here and select the photo. Click the top right, done, and here you can see continue to edit picture. Click on it. Now after that, scroll down, and here you will see 50% smaller. If you click on here, you can just make the size smaller or more bigger. I'm making it 50% smaller. Then scroll down, and here you can see I am done resize my picture. Just click on here, and here you can see the picture editing is done. Now you need to just download it. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.